If you're finding it difficult to attach bra cups to a dress, a bustier dress, then this video is for you. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So these are what you'll be needing for this tutorial video: your chalk or marker, your scissors, and your measuring tape. Please take note that the best bra cup size you'll be needing for this tutorial is to get the one that is after your exact measurement. For instance, if you are using size 36, please make sure to get size 38, because 1 inch is for the dart intake, while the remaining 1 inch is to give ease to the bust packing. So the longer part of this bra cup is going to be on the under bust, while the shorter length of this bra cup will be upwards. So let's measure it in case you find it confusing to know the longer side and the shorter side. This is the longer side. As you can see, it is going to be on the under bust, and this is how it is going to be after fixing it. This place is going to be facing you. So guys, look closely and see how I'll be attaching this bra cup. First of all, we'll make use of our dart intake. For us to get our dart intake on this bra cup, please make sure to fold it into two as I am folding mine. Please look at the position of this bra cup, and this is the place that is facing me. Make sure to notch the center area, or use your chalk or marker to mark both ends, that is the up and the down part. Please do not fold it into 4 so you do not disfigure the shape of this bra cup. So after folding it into 2, I went ahead to go upwards by 2.5 inch. Please make sure you use your marker or chalk at this point, and then I came out at the down part by 0.5 inch, and then I connected it together. This is at the lower part of the bra cup, that is the longer side, the side with the higher length. So this is how I'll be doing my dart intake. I've already marked it with my marker. I will go ahead to go and stitch this one, then show you how it's looking. So guys, please make sure you do so, okay? So guys, look at how it's looking, guys. As you can see, putting in that intake will make your cup to look curver. It will curve better. It will give you a rounded shape. As you can see, please make sure to take off excess material, that is after sewing your dart. Can you see how rounded it is looking? Can you see the difference? Can you see the difference from the other original cup? Now that we have fixed our dart on this one on the left hand side, you will see the clear difference between these two cups. So guys, look at how it's looking. Look at the difference. Can you see how deep this one at the left is looking already? So this is why it's very important to put that on your bra cup. So I'll also go ahead to put in the second one. I will mark it, and I will also impute the measurements for my dart as well. Exactly what I did on this first one is just what I'll be repeating on the second one. So guys, please do not forget, you are not going to be using the exact measurements that you are using for your bust to get your bra cup. For instance, if your bust measurement is 36, please make sure to use the measurement that is very close to it, which is size 38. This means 1 inch is for the dart intake on the bra cup, and the remaining 1 inch is to give ease while packing the bust. So you see why you should not get the same measurement with your bust with your bra cup. So please make sure you listen and watch this video attentively to learn the secret of fixing your bra cup in your bustier dress, guys. In fact, if you fix bra cup properly in your bustier dress, it is going to give you a very perfect fit. So guys, this is the second one. Can you see how rounded, how good, how curved, how deep they both look? So now is the time to fix it on the dress. Please make sure you have allowance just the way you are seeing on this bust area. Then you make sure to get your under bust. Either you start from the up side or from the down, but if you find it difficult to do, please make sure to start from the lower part. That is, make sure to get your waist measurement on your tape, then place it on the waist area of your dress for if you want it to be very easy for you to locate. Because for some people at this point, they usually get confused. The dress may look longer by the time they are measuring it, placing their tape from the chest area to get their under bust. So why not place your tape at the waist area and then take it upwards to get your under bust area. So right now I am marking my under bust area because that is where we'll start placing and tacking in our bra cups, as you can see on the video. So guys, this is what I'll be doing. I doubled my sewing thread, as you can see. Remember I said the longer part of the bra cup is going to be on the under bust, just as you are seeing on the video, and then I will go ahead to tack and tack. Also guys, please make sure that as you are tacking, you are doing it very carefully and meticulously, so you do not stitch the fabric. Please make sure your tacking, your stitching is just on the allowance. Remember also, or do not forget, that this tacking of bra cup is on our main material, as you can see guys, not on the lining material. Please, on the main material. And as you can see, the wrong side of the main material is facing me as I am doing this tacking. So make sure you replicate the same thing on your own dress as well. Some people tack it on their lining. No, please tack it on the right fabric. So now is for us to tack the up part. Please, before tacking it up, make sure you hold it firmly so it aligns with the back of the bra cup. Please don't create a space in between the bra cup and your dress. Just hold it firmly and you see that everything is going to align. So guys, look how it's looking. I am done with this first one. Now is for us to tack the second one as well. I have tacked down the down part. It is now for us to tack the up part, just the same way I did for this first one. I am going to replicate it all the way to the second one. This is the look after tacking the two bra cups together. Can you see how it's looking inside the bustier dress, guys? Look at how curved. Look how, oh god, guys, just try this method exactly the way I did it on my dress and thank me later. Do not fail to subscribe so you don't miss more interesting, educative and important videos. I bet you you wouldn't miss to watch more. So thank you guys for staying. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. To my returning subscribers, God bless you, bless you, bless you. Bye.